So for this project, I decided to look at the relationship between solar exposure and rainfall. Based on observations, I hypothesized that there would be a strong negative linear relationship between the two, um, based off the fact that, you know, on cloudier days there tends to be more rainfall than on sunnier days. All the information gathered I got off the Bureau of Meteorology website, and with that data I plotted it on a scatter plot and was able to see the relationship between the two statistics, um, which is when I found that it was actually a very, very weak positive relationship between um, the two data samples. Um, I also plotted the monthly solar exposure um, over the last 5 years, as well as the monthly average rainfall over the last 5 years, and I came to the conclusion that that very weak relationship and that positive relationship between the two um, data samples could be completely by chance, as rainfall doesn't follow any pattern whatsoever. It's completely random despite the month of the year, the season, etc. Whereas solar exposure follows a very distinct U-shaped pattern that's based off the season and the time of the year. I realized after coming to those conclusions and, realizing that my hypothesis was wrong, was that I didn't account for the fact that not all clouds are rain clouds. So even though it might be a darker day and it might be colder, it doesn't necessarily mean the clouds in the sky are going to release water and cause rain. I think that was, all I found in terms of that and all I realized, but I'm fairly certain that the relationship between the two is unreliable and pretty much non-existent due to the fact that rainfall is random and unpredictable, which could have caused that, the tiniest bit of relationship between the two.